Well, day one of the extended winter session, and just as the government sought to introduce the Communal Violence Prevention Bill in the upper house, the opposition was quick to scuttle any such attempt. But what raised temperatures this afternoon was a very controversial comment on the floor of the House 12 weeks before elections. The Congress seems to have found a fresh front to target Narendra Modi.
It was Narendra Modi's first ever election rally in West Bengal, and the BJP Prime Ministerial nominee took aim at the Congress, empathizing with Bengal's aspirations by citing Pranab Mukherjee.
इस परिवार को लगा कि कुछ चल रहा है, तो बाद में जो सरकार बनी श्रीमान राजीव गांधी की, सीनियर मोस्ट मिनिस्टर प्रणव दा उनको मंत्री परिषद में भी लेने से इनकार कर दिया। मेरे बंगाल के भाइयों बहनों, इन चीजों को भूलना मत।
Raking up Bengal's most decorated politician's name, Modi trying to connect with a large gathering, but the Congress hit right back.
Kind of respect Bharatiya Janata Party shows to its elders, and more so what Shri Narendra Modi shows to its elders, is also well known in the treatment Bharatiya Janata Party and Shri Narendra Modi meted out to their own patriarch and guru, Shri Lal Krishna Advani.
Modi also faced criticism for dragging in President Pranab Mukherjee's name in his election speech.
The Chief Minister of Gujarat has sought to trample constitutional propriety by dragging the august office of the President of India into a political discourse.
Modi's rally at the historic parade grounds in Kolkata, where Mamata Banerjee had a big rally just days ago, also saw him taking on the West Bengal Chief Minister.
परिवर्तन, 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 इसके लिए अपनी जान लगा दी। लेकिन मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, परिवर्तन आया है?
Let Mamata Banerjee work here in Bengal and let BJP rule the centre, and they can do this by cooperating with each other. This is a clear indication from BJP that they are keeping the door open for Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress if they need more number post-election.
The Gujarat Chief Minister also made a fervent appeal to vote for the BJP, listing out the benefits if BJP wins maximum Lok Sabha seats from Bengal.
एक, यहां ममता जी को आपने परिवर्तन के लिए बिठाया है, वो विकास का काम करेगी। दिल्ली में आप मुझे बिठाओगे, मैं विकास का काम करूंगा, और मेरे ऊपर प्रणव दादा बैठे होंगे, वो तो आप ही के हैं।
Modi interspersed his speech with Bengali and also made a strong pitch for development.
Amar Sonar Bangla, Ami Tomar Bhalobasi.
And his direct attack on the Congress and the Third Front, an indicator that Mamata Banerjee may feature in BJP's post-poll plans. Bureau Report, Times Now.